Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get this girl avatar, but it's limited time, uh, not a permanent skin or permanent avatar. For as you can see, click your loadout. As you can see, there is a time limit of using this avatar. It's about 3 days limit. So what you need to do is click the events banner, click the feature, and as you can see, you can click this event banner, Girls Diary Summer Class, and redeem the gift every day. After 1 week, you can choose this skin. As you can see, there's black one, the white one. What you have need to do is click the Girls Diary Summer Class event. As you can see, there are some tasks you need to complete, such as complete one rank multiplayer match, and you can get this magic crystal that will be used in this event to redeem the gift. So click the summer class. As you can see, this is the redeem page. This is the week 2, so I've been playing in week 1. You need to complete the task and redeem every day, the gifts every day. In the last day of the week, you can redeem, or you can choose one of the reward. For example, you can choose ULLMG, and also create. And what I want to show you is this skin or limited avatar. You can get it by playing more and redeem the gift every day. So this is the week 2. So this is the gift. It's different, so I need to redeem this skin by playing more in 1 week. So thank you for today. That's all from me. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.